Citizens of NLA, this is Secretary Nagi. Those of you that have served under me, here or on the White Whale, know I'm not one to mince words. So, I'll get right to the point. We are at war. Even now, the hostile alien force known as the Ganglion is marching on New Los Angeles. We know they possess Skell-class ground-based units, and we have reports of unidentified flying weaponry as well. Director General Chosan is attempting to open a dialogue. But our enemy has shown no signs of being open to negotiation. In light of all this, it is my duty to prepare us all for the worst. And this is why I've called an emergency assembly, all Blade divisions. To be clear, none of this changes our mission with regards to recovering the life form. But in the short term, it is absolutely crucial that we protect our city. Not just for our fellow humans, but for the Manon and our other xenoform allies as well. New Los Angeles is home to us all, including our brothers and sisters yet to be awakened. In that spirit, the Manon have agreed to use their ship to ferry all non-combatants out of the combat zone. This is a temporary measure, but also a very good example of how we all, human and xenoform alike, must sacrifice and contribute to our common cause. For those of us who will fight, I promise you that once we prevail, any mimeosome damaged or destroyed will be fully restored. Troops, a trying battle awaits us, but we must repel the coming invasion, no matter what the cost. We're counting on you.
You all heard what Nagi said. Ganglion forces are closing in on the city. I'd love it if Chosan could negotiate our way out of this, but we all know better.
They've made their feelings about humans pretty clear.
Our team has been assigned the most crucial defensive position, the Administrative District Gate. If we lose Blade HQ, that's it. We've lost the war. We have to expect the Ganglion know this, and we'll hit it hard.
Yeah. No pressure there. Do we know where everyone else is stationed?
Irina's by the entrance to the Industrial District. Doug's on standby until we make visual contact with the enemy. And Lau's guarding the hangar.
Tatsu will manage supply lines. Use Nopon connections to keep key materials stocked.
Thanks, Tatsu. When this is all over, I'll bake you into a delicious meal.
Tatsu heard you say into, Lindley.
And you, Rook, you ready? Great. Just don't get so cocky you bite off more than you can chew.
Yeah. Remember, we're a team. We need to work together.
Let's move out. just a title. He can call himself Colonel Squaretash for all I care. If it gets the gangling to listen, I'm all for it.
Great. Now I'll never get Colonel Squaretash out of my head.
Attention, Ganglion. Your army has unlawfully crossed New LA's defense perimeter.
You have 10 seconds to hold your advance and agree to negotiate. If you do not comply, we will have no choice but to interpret your actions as a declaration of war and launch our counterattack. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All units open fire!
It started.
All right, remember. Our job is to destroy any gangling that so much as think about going through the gate here and infiltrating the city. Got it?
Roger.
Tatsu is Roger, too.
They've seen us.
I'll take over my step.
Fine.
You can do it.
A doppelganger it is.
Roger.
Get up, weapon.
Warning field. Stop the edge. Warning field. Stop the edge. Come on.
Don't give them time to breathe.
You're in my sight.
Right. This'll work best. Give them time to breathe. I'm punching a hole. There's no subject for real combat.
We got it. Let's move.
Here's the next wave.
So many, too many.
Hold your ground. We're the last line between them and human extinction. We can't let them pass.
Oh, they've seen us.
Strike first. Strike hard.
Taking damage.
Weapon. Right.
Got the edge. Rip with the target. Got it. So long. Hostile neutralized. Critical strength combat.
Don't give them time to breathe.
Got it. We'll move in if you stand.
All or nothing.
Warring field. Got the edge. Rip with the target. Follow up. You're in my sight.
Opportunity knock. Double. Gunfire. I'm mopping up.
work.
Great.
Amazing. Right up the fire.
I'm punching a hole here. Now tackle it up close.
You wish.
There's no substitute for real combat.
Hope I didn't get in the way.
Good.
Amazing. Right up the fire for us.
I'm punching a hole here.
Hey, hold still! More good to me.
Hit with the target.
Weapon. Now let's go find an opponent.
Nice work. It didn't have to be like this.
Not so many bad aliens now.
Seems like it's working, Elmo. Maybe this gate is gonna hold. Elmo?
Sorry. Yeah, so far so good. Let's keep it up.
Right.
Great. Weapon.
You wish.
Opportunity nine. Tavo, got one.
With the target. Follow up. Out top one.
I'm punching a hole here. Who needs a weapon? Now let's go find an opponent that's worth our time.
Alright. Who's next?
Stand down, Lynn. We've cleared the area.
No further hostile signatures detected. All enemy craft in the combat arena has been destroyed.
Roger that.
We did it? We did it!
I think you're right. That was way too few troops. They must be testing our defenses.
Ugly aliens got one look at Hero Pantatsu and surrendered.
Ha! Something tells me no.
Absolutely huge and it's airborne and coming in fast. The enemy are planning to attack LA from above.
I knew it. The ground attack was a feint. Everyone, we need to get back to the city.
We're fighting inside the city?
I know. They tried to avoid it, but now we have no choice. Better to risk damaging the city than losing it altogether.
The hostile forces have crossed the perimeter. They've entered LA airspace.
Tatsu panic. Everyone panic.
Let's move.
Right.
kid. Lost him.
The second we find that core, I'll bring you back first. I swear it.
They're inside the wall. Mobilize all internal security. Any all fighters on standby.
Hey, that's us. Let's go help.
But we can't leave the artifact unprotected.
Wayne's team can handle it. They need us out there. Yes, sir.
Are you telling me you losers can't even handle a bunch of humans?
Please. Targon wants to join fight.
What? Why would you want to do that? Although, I suppose if we don't pitch in now, that fool Luxar will never get off the backs. Very well. Have it your way. Looks like a number of enemy scales have entered the city.
Agreed. Let's give every ganglion we can find a nice, warm welcome.
Roger that.
Elma, we got a situation in the commercial district. Two really nasty SOBs. They're turning through everything we throw at them. Secure your area and get over there ASAP.
Copy that. We're on it.
You're right to be afraid, little girl. Let's go.
Lynn, stay calm. Don't let them into your head. You've faced worse than this before. You've won every single time. Don't forget that.
I know. Yeah, you're right. It's much easier to be brave with you guys here. Sorry to worry you. I'll be fine. Now come on. Let's kick some ganglion butt. Now touch me. The bossy one with the silver hair. She looks like she must be the leader. All right, Tavo. I'll change my mind. Kill her first.
Don't give them time to breathe. All or nothing.
You primitive worms!
Looks like you underestimated your enemy. You two are the only ones left.
And you expect me to kiss your hand and beg for my life? I'd rather laugh my way to the grave.
Please, no.
Right, that's the idea. We don't have to continue like this.
What are you waiting for? Lost your nerve?
You're more useful alive. What? Go back to your people, your masters. Tell them we want no further conflict. Tell them the humans are willing to negotiate. That we can find common ground and coexist here, peacefully.
Don't tell me you honestly think you won here, do you?
What was that explosion?
Colonel, this is bad. We got the alien scale. They smashed into the hangar and got the scale.
another city of innocents burned. All so they can lay claim to a single scalp. Was this truly necessary? I have become party to madness.
Target was the mech all along.
Oh, you're so quick. I can see why they made you the leader. And now the Vita is ours. So you see, you didn't win anything. You lost.
You sure about that?
Huh?
Your people managed to swipe that alien mech out from under us. I'll give you that. But our mission was to repel the invasion and defend New LA at all costs. Nothing more, nothing less. In that, we succeeded.
For now, maybe.
But you were sent here to take the city. And as far as I can tell, it's still standing. So I'd say you're the only loser here. Now crawl home, tell your ganglion leaders you were beaten, and deliver my message. Hurry up and go, before I change it.
Our people can't coexist peacefully. We can't coexist, period. It's us or you arrogant worm. No negotiation, no compromise, and no mercy! Irina! Gwen! Thank God you're both alright!
Yeah, we made it back, but Marcus wasn't so lucky.
What happened?
He took an enemy missile barrage.
What? He's gone?
Listen, Lieutenant. We're going to find that Lifehold core. And when we do, Marcus will be the first one back in a brand new state-of-the-art NIM. I promise.
Yes. Just like Quinn, only taller and slimmer, and with more muscles on his wings.
And more handsome, too.
Thanks, guys. No, seriously. Thanks.
I like this idea. We'll find Marcus the handsomest, strongest, most un-Gwyn-like Vim around.
Oh, you too now?
So, Colonel, we lost the alien scout.
Well, last I heard, we weren't even sure what it was. Doesn't seem like much of a loss to me.
If only it were that simple. The important thing is, we managed to repel the invasion force. We're still alive, and NLA's still standing. I'll take that as a victory.
Hell yeah. The Colonel's right. We did good here today. We won.
Yeah, you're right.
So hey, why don't we all go report back to HQ together?
Sure. Sounds good.
Actually, Irina, you guys should go on ahead.
I
have an errand to run with my team first.
Roger that. Then we'll see you back at headquarters in a bit. Colonel.
Let's go check out the hangar.
Right. Stupid worms. I'll kill every last one of them. Every last one of them! I'll kill them with my own bare hands if I have to.
There's no excuse. This wouldn't have happened if I didn't order my men to leave their posts.
We were just trying to help. It's okay. We should count ourselves lucky we ended up with so few casualties.
Sorry to break up the love, but you know, there must be something to that Skell if they were this worried about it.
I wonder.
The bigger question is how they even knew we had it. And how did they know exactly where we were keeping it? No way.
Yes, at last. The Great One's divine vessel is mine. I beg you, O Great One, descend to this humble planet and guide me. I am yours to command.